Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 9 January 2026, Nifty index opened negative and cascaded throughout the session and stooped down to 25,860 levels. It broke all its immediate support levels and gave in to selling pressure to close near its lower band with losses of around 260 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and has been forming lower highs, lower lows from the last 3 sessions. India VIX was up by 6.5% to 10.6 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.66. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,400 to 26,400 levels, while immediate range could be in between 25,700 to 26,100 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,544 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,817 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 8.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 25,950, weakness could be seen towards 25,700 and 25,600, while resistances have shifted lower to 26,000 and 26,150. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 59,750, some weakness could be seen towards 59,250 marks, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 60,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in IDFC First Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI Life, Solar Industries and BEL. While some weakness could be seen in RVNL, ONGC, Coforge, CDSL, Jubilant Foodworks, Trent, CG Power and Bharti Airtel. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.